I'm about to do a 3D floor plan scan of this home. The enhanced floor plan or the 3D marketing bundle that we do for our customers, it includes three things. So one is the enhanced floor plan. So you'll see the floor plan, you'll have measurements, you'll have counter space here. You'll be able to see all of this and the dimensions of the room and everything. And that's really nice. It's more comprehensive than just having just the walls measured. And it'll come with a 3D model of the floor plan. So the rooms will be furnished in the 3D model with the floor plan, and it'll look really nice and professional and polished. And then it comes with a 3D walkthrough video. So it's basically taking the scan that we're going to be doing, and it creates a 3D model with similar carpet, similar tile, similar wood finishes or wood floors, similar light fixtures as much as possible or as close as possible. And then it'll just do like a computerized 3D walkthrough of it. So in the space of 2 or 3 minutes of scanning a home this size, we can crank out an enhanced floor plan, 3D floor plan, and a 3D walkthrough video for the customer. And so anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and then from there I'll go ahead and do drone, and you'll see that. So let's go ahead and get this started. I may start in the garage. And you will see kind of how fast it'll take. So there we go, now it's tracking. I'm trying to get the ceiling so that way the light fixtures are captured as well. And that'll hopefully help the editors to match fixtures to the 3D video walkthrough. Oh, those are sensitive. Okay, get this island. All right. So we are at 1 minute 12 seconds. Camera gear's in here. Okay, we're running at 2 minutes. Not bad for a home this size. And yeah, I got this closet. Okay, so now we are there. We're done at 3 minutes, and we're good to go.